everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, this is going to be something a little different. This is going to be a kind of like a wig tutorial. Lately I have just been wearing like my hair in twists. As you can see, well, this is the first time I put rubber bands on it. I was just trying something different. But hopefully I can put the wig on while it's like this. I think I can. I purchased 3 of the little turban style wigs, you guys. I went all the way super cheap. Like, all of these wigs was $10 or less, okay? Was not playing. Trying to figure out which one I'm fenced to put on first. So I do have this. This looks kind of crazy. Then I have this one. This one has like a little like a leopard one. And this, now this one is not a turban wig. I don't know what this is. I think this one, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Fashion, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this one. It is what it is. Alright, y'all, so this was just like a cute little afro wig, really short. Now, y'all, I got this for $6.99. So however this come out looking, y'all, I can't really be too upset. Like, I can't be mad at all. There is something else. Oh my gosh, there's a lot extra in here. Okay, so they gave me these lashes. Don't really wear lashes, but they gave me these lashes. Or I don't know how to rate lashes. I don't know if they're good quality or not. And they gave me some bobby pins. So about this $6.99 wig, I did get it in the color burgundy. Straight out the pack, y'all. Look at that. I'm so scared. But I love curly wigs. Like, I do. I love curly wigs. Now, for $6.99, I don't know if this is going to have bobby pins in it or not. I do see a drawstring. If this thing has, like, the little wig clamps, like, that would be, y'all, we would be living life like it's golden. Do you hear me? All right, let me cut the tags and stuff off. Okay, come on. Okay. So, no tags. I mean, tags. No, you know, clips in the front. No clip in the back. But I did see, I thought I saw a drawstring somewhere. Didn't I see a drawstring? I thought I did. Maybe not. Okay, anywho, so it just got the little adjustable straps. So I'm just going to go ahead, fasten the straps on. Hopefully I didn't do it too loose. Y'all, pray for me. Pray for me. Look at that. It looks crazy. It looks crazy. I may have to take, let me see. I may have to take mine out. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. You know what? It fits. It fits really good. It does fit good. Now, I will say that it is tight. It is snug. Okay. Let me do the little ear part. Okay, so, I mean, straight out the pack, of course, it looks a little crazy. I mean, that's like all wigs. You gotta work with them to get them to look how you want them to look. Dang, I can feel my little twist. Okay. Okay, how you doing? Okay. That's what okay, but you know what? I feel like I can really bring this to life. Like, we can do a lot. And what if I, like, shaved, oh my gosh. Like, what if I shaved down the sides and made it where, I can see this thing coming to life already. I'm going to keep just finger combing it just like this. And you know what? I'm going to go grab my shears because I can see this thing about to come to life. Like, I can feel it. I can feel it. So, I'm going to keep finger combing it. I'm going to go get my shears. And then I'm going to be right back. Alright, y'all. I am finished to try to, like, Should I shave the sides down? I mean, it is cute, like just like a little afro. I'm not gonna lie, like it is cute. But what if I like shave the sides down just a little bit? I mean, it's $6.99, right? It's $6.99. Shoot, well, I'm doing it now. Shoot, I done start cutting. I'm gonna keep on shaving the sides down and then I'll be back. Alright, y'all, look what I got. I got this. I think I'm gonna try this to see. Okay, I got the number 2. The number 2 guard on here, y'all. Do I know what I'm doing? No, not really. No. But hey, I'm trying it. It's a $6 wig. I mean, I can't be too mad. Okay. You know what? Forget it. I'm trying to get this done. Let's go with a 1. Meaning it's gonna cut. Do you hear me? All right, let's do it. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like for $6.99. It is, I guess, for $6.99 it's not bad at all. I mean, look at it. Only thing I did was just cut it shorter. This is what it's looking like. Turn all the way around. Not bad. Especially because I didn't know what the heck I was doing with them clippers. What was I doing? This little, where'd it go? Not bad. Not bad. $6.99. Not bad. I'm gonna leave it on to go and pick up the kids. So that's what I'm about to do. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I will leave the link to this in the description box. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Slide the pity that you got, or leave the body for